Hi everybody, this is Mr. Roche. We are working with Python and we're working in Trinket and we've been drawing with the turtle, with turtle package and turtle module. And basically what I'm hoping you can do tonight is work on the stuff we worked on in class and try to make something like interesting, something new, something, taking what we did. And what we were doing was we learned how to make a shape loop. So like this from the original kind of example, had four sides. Sides move forward 120, then you turn 90 degrees and go up. So this will make a square. And then if you vary this where the turtle, the angle of the turtle over 36 times for a second loop, it'll make like a square, which is what we did. And we set the background color and we set some T colors and things like this. Okay, and this is like sort of the basic thing, but I'm asking you to do a little bit more with them and kind of make them, more exciting. So this is like what the basic one did. Okay, and there's a bunch of these different things floating around. Okay, so let's see. So I've got, like, this is the one I was working on in class before, and I broke it up a little bit to make a first ring, which is going to be white, and a second ring, which is going to be blue. Okay, but my one shape here has four sides, which I made into a variable, and then this one has six. Okay, and so you can do like this one does this, and I did this so that see, this is all the white. This is like this loop operating. Okay, and then this is the second loop operating. Okay, and I did that so that the blue part shows up above the white part, because it wasn't doing that when it was all inside one loop. I also have like a little bit of extra code here so that when I'm done drawing, I add a little bit to go out and make a line and make this circle. There's like a little tiny circle that comes out at the end of each shape in mine. And this one, I wanted to make sure that I had a shape on um, the second side. So this I value kind of counts stuff. We talked about that in class a little bit. So when I equals 1, I'm going to go out and draw like a little circle. Okay, so that's that example. Another one here is turtle drawing. What does this guy look like? Oh yeah, this was just the one that we did where the pen goes round, around, around. I think it changes color as it goes, right? I think like this one's trying to vary green. I think. I mean, it looks cool. Um, so that's an example too. I'd like this to look a little bit different or have more, stuff going on with it, but it's pretty cool. And then the fourth one that I have available would be something like this. Okay, so what this does is it draws circles, and then it's drawing like a square. Like this square is so what's going on is it's kind of finding the color based on I. Okay, and then it goes and draws the square. So this is one of these squares here. Okay, and then after that it draws a little circle, or a big circle and a little circle. So that's what you see there. So every time, and I thought that looked kind of cool. And the colors change as it rolls around, stuff like that. So you get that kind of look of purple and black. So I guess what I'm looking for is something interesting, something nice. Surprise yourself. Go, change things up a little bit. Like this one isn't totally square; it's like rectangular, but it looks good, right? So, so what I want you to do is just kind of experiment a little bit, and like let's take a look at the best drawings. Okay, so give me a link to your Trinket that has like the super drawing in it, and I'll see you tomorrow. Okay.